We will now learn about how to apply Facebook pixel code via Google Tag Manager, right? So once you go to Tag Manager, right? I was just one second. Let's go to New Tag, and we should name it as Facebook Pixel Code, and then we go here and we choose custom HTML. This is the code. We go copy from here, paste it here, right? One setting, yeah, once fire this tag after. No, 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 none of this. Triggering, you should go to all pages, and thereafter you will save this, and after save you will publish the code, right? That's one way. And I want to share with you, I will not save this, I will discard these changes, and I wanted to show you another way. Now, for that, of course, for that, not in general, you should always have the Chrome extension called Metapixel Helper. So this should be there in the Chrome install. Now, what do you do is like, so from here, when you click this, you will get the pixel ID. You can click here to copy. The other thing you can further, if you want to, verify, you see the pixel ID has 5548. So you can go here, you can go in, view page source, and you can do Control F, paste the number that you got, and you will find further that end of Facebook pixel code. So that is the code which is also there in by view source code. So both way you have checked it. Now what do? You go here. Sorry, you will first go to variable, variable, in variable you will scroll down. You will click on new. This is I'm showing you second method, right? So in here you will name it as Facebook pixel ID, right? Then you will click here, you will scroll down, you will go to constant, and you will paste the value here. You will save this, right? So now this is created. This is the variable which is created. The next bit thing that you will do is, so you will go to new, name it Facebook base pixel, Facebook base pixel code. Yeah, you will click here. You will click this community template gallery. So this was Simon Awaha, the famous blog that created this template, and later Facebook acquired this template, and it is named by, you will find here by Facebook Archive. So Facebook acquired this template, right? So you will do add to, right? this. Are you sure you want to add? So you will tell add. Now, once it is loading, now it has been added. Now it will tell that you need to add the right. So I will take this number now. So I need to remember the, I've forgotten the Facebook pixel code. I will come here. I will save this. I will tell it to be standard, and just one thing on advanced setting, I will tell, give it a, where is priority, tag framing priority, I will give it 10. So 1 means very low priority, 10 means very high priority. Higher the number, higher the priority. I generally work between 1 to 10, and I'm giving it 10 to tell Google that this is a high priority tag, and I will go to trigger that when this tag should be fired. This tag should be fired on all pages, and then I say save. It's loading, and that's, then I tell submit. Facebook base pixel code, right? And I will publish, and that is the two ways you can implement the Facebook base pixel code. Thank you.